Welcome to Big Dot. In this training, we'll show you how to create, manage, and customize your digital business card, DBC, step by step. By the end of this session, you'll know how to set up, edit, and share your DBC easily. Let's begin. What is a digital business card and how does it work? A digital business card, DBC, is a smart, paperless way to share your contact details, social media links, and business information. Instead of carrying a physical card, you can instantly share your details with just a click or scan. It is eco-friendly, helping you save paper and reduce waste. It is easy to update, so you never have to reprint a new card when your details change. Plus, it gives you a modern and professional look, making it easier to impress clients and grow your network. With Big Dot's simple backend system, creating a professional digital card takes just a few clicks. Even if you're a beginner, the process is quick and effortless. So, let's get started. How to sign up? To create your digital business card, you need to onboard your business. For that, go to bigdot.ai and click Join today. Now, select For Myself if the card is for personal use or For My Business if you're creating it for your company. Next, choose your country, enter your email and mobile number. If you're outside India, you can log in with email only, but for India, a mobile number is required. Then click Login. Now, choose your business category by searching or selecting from the list. After choosing the category, then click Next. Enter your business details, such as your business name, country code, mobile number, email, and contact person's name, then click Next. Set up your business location by either using Google Maps or by entering the address manually. If you do not have the zip or postal code, then you can also write the city name. Once done, click Submit to continue. You will receive an OTP for verification. Enter the OTP, then click Verify. After that, set a password and click Submit. Your business is getting created. Congratulations! Your business is now live on Big Dot. Click on Manage Essentials to see your business details. Click on View in front of Digital Business Card to view your digital business card. Important note: if you sign up for free, you will get a limited version of the DBC, which includes your business name, category, personalized QR code, WhatsApp link, contact details, and basic sharing options. To unlock full features, you need a paid subscription. Managing and editing your digital business card. To edit or manage your digital business card, go to manage.bigdot.ai, select your country, enter your email credentials, and click Proceed. Now, log in using your password. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard where you can manage your business info, digital business card, and website. Click on Business, then go to Business Info to edit details like your business logo, fav icon, name, domain, contact details, and address. Once done, click Save. To update any section, click Edit, make the changes, and then click Submit and Save. You can also add the social media links by clicking on the social media, then add the links and then click on Save. You can also add the branches from here. Click on Add New, then add the details such as branch name, select country, email, contact person, phone number, and other details. Once done, click on Submit. And you can add any additional information also. Click on Add New, add the information that you want to add, and once done, click on Submit. You can also customize your card's design by clicking Brand Settings to change colors, fonts, and styles that match your brand. Once done, click Save. If your company has employees, you can create DBCs for them too. Click on Company Employee, then select Add Employee. Enter the employee's name, department, and job title, then click Submit. To edit an existing employee's card, click on Action button, then click Edit, upload their photo and other details and assign a unique member code. For example, Aisha in small letters, and if employee has a surname then write like Aisha Diwan. Once done, click on Submit to save. To manage your main business card, click on Control Panel Home, then click on Digital Business Card, then click Manage Card and select Publish Biz Card. To preview your business card, click View Biz Card. If you want to edit your card, click Edit and update sections like cover image, tagline, email, mobile number, business about us, services offered, and gallery. You can add or remove sections, enable and disable them anytime. Enable translation by adjusting the effect of the footer. To rearrange sections, simply drag and drop them. If you want to add more details, click on Add More Sections, then enable the section that you want to add. You can disable it anytime and then edit the details and click Save. Whenever you make changes, don't forget to click Save and Publish so your updates appear on the front end. To edit and publish the company employees' digital business card, click on Manage Card Holders. To edit the details, click on Action button, then select Edit, then edit the details and enter the unique member code as mentioned, then click Submit. After submitting, click on Publish All BizCard to publish all the BizCard. If you want to publish only one BizCard, then click on the Action button of the employee, then click on Publish BizCard to publish that employee's BizCard. Then to view your employee digital business card, click on the Action button and select View Digital Business Card. Important note: if you want the digital business card for the employee only, then you will add in the company employee. For other employees, you can add them in the Management Team section. Click on Add New, then add the details and save. They will appear in your digital business card. That's it. You now know how to create, edit, and manage your digital business card using Big Dot. With Big Dot, you can share your details instantly, keep them updated, and impress your clients with a professional digital card. Thank you for joining this training. Happy networking with Big Dot.